Are you looking forward to something special in your life? Or are you the same with me, having an ordinary life and spending time on different accidents?
Oh my god, I'm late for work!
Even though we work so hard, life always gives you unpredictable surprises.
Sorry.
Don't worry, boss. I have the soft copies in my pen drive.
What are you doing? First, you are late. And you bring me a promotion flyer? I give you one last chance. Go get it now!
Okay, sorry.
That's right. This is life. Unfortunate events always come to you one after another. I told you. Hi, Michelle. Could you tell the boss that I'll take my EL today? I'll send you the proposal soft copy via email later.
Hi, may I know how much it costs to repair my smartphone? Let me check first. Oh, you covered by our screen warranty, so it's free of charge. Really? Also, we are offering Reno 10x Zoom and 5x international warranty, so no matter where you are, we got you covered. That's amazing. But how long would it take? Do I have to come back next Monday? No, it only takes 1 hour. You can pick it up right away. Wow. Not only this, you can also preview your repairing status through our OPPO mobile apps or our official website. Let me show you this. You just press here, and you key in here. See? And you're ready to go.
Sometimes we picture life with a negative mind, but many wonderful things are waiting to be discovered by you in your life.
OPPO customer service is always here for you. During this campaign period, you may even win some lucky draw prizes if you send your phone to us for repair. Also, we will be having workshops at our service centers and you can visit our website to check it out. We can't wait to see you.
OPPO.